We don't have just to think that a change in education will come with just some new tools here and there. No, we need to change the system itself. This is what we're doing. The system, for instance, a direct consequence of changing the system is that such concept as the grade that you've had is going to become obsolete. My point is, we will measure not so much, yes, we're going to measure how much progress you've made, but we're going to do it not to put a label or a tag forever, but to help you reach 100%, to make you realize, all right, I'm not there yet. I still need to learn this 20% or 30%, which I'm going to do in a little bit more time. With more time, I'm going to get there. Very soon, I guess we're going to start measuring more timing rather than result as such. Well, the result will be there. And we have started with English because sadly, Spain had very poor results in English. But this is applicable to every single subject in general and knowledge in general. So I say, sadly, we've been reading that Spain has one of the worst results compared to the rest of the European countries regarding English language acquisition. And again, we are doing exactly the same thing. So we are used to the fact, and Blanca was telling us a couple of weeks ago that she was told to teach to the medium, right? To the middle or to the medium. How sad is that? Yeah. If we teach just and we assume that we're going to have even students with good grades are going to have gaps that will never be filled, let alone students that may struggle more. We don't have to accept that. We can change that. Okay,